I'm Lindsey.
I'm Amber.
And we are senior instructors at Rees in New York City and the co-founders of Brave Body Project.
Yes, and this is the right way with Well+Good. So today we're gonna teach you the right way to do a bicep curl. We love a bicep curl. It makes us feel strong. We can give our friends hugs. We can carry our groceries and be independent, all right? So here are some common mistakes with a bicep curl. Number one, let's see what we got. Elbows back, curling those weights. Not great. Number two, swinging the weights, using everything but your biceps to get those curls going. Number three, range of motion. Limited range of motion. It's hard when you release it all the way down. So people only do it halfway. Not great, but we're gonna fix that today. Now we're gonna show you how to do a bicep curl the right way. All right, Linz, let's show them. She's keeping her elbows in line with her rib cage, the side of the body. Perfect, love it. Also, no swinging of those weights, so that way it's fully her arms, fully her biceps, giving us that stunning, beautiful bicep curl. And then she's giving me full range of motion, all the way to the top, all the way down, and she's making sure to give it nice little slow release on that way down so that we work those biceps to the fullest.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling it.
You like it?
Yeah, it's happening.
You look great.
Thank you.
Okay, so she's looking good. You're looking good. Let's throw in a couple other options once we feel like we have this amazing form. We're gonna do an open bicep curl. Rotate the palms out, keeping those elbows in line with the side of the body. This is gonna work the inner biceps, right? The bicep isn't just one muscle. Beautiful, full range of motion, all those things we talked about before. Love it. And let's add to this. We're gonna do a cross body curl. Palm faces towards you. Yep, you're crossing up and over to that opposite shoulder. This is gonna work the outer biceps. These look good. How do you feel?
Feeling good, feeling strong.
Yeah, your form looks great.
Thank you.
All right, this is the right way to do a bicep curl so we can feel strong, look strong, and all the best things. Yep.
Thanks guys, I'm Lindsey.
I'm Amber.
We'll see you next time.